Alright, that is a third video of coordinate geometry. In this video, we are going to discuss about the conditions of gradient. Now, the first condition of gradient is when you have parallel lines. Alright, so if we have a parallel lines, that means that gradient is same of both lines, or you can say that m1 equals to m2. Secondly, if the lines are perpendicular, if you have perpendicular lines, then it means that m1 multiplied by m2 equals to -1, or we also refer this property as negative reciprocal. Alright, so let's take an example of these two conditions first. Let's suppose that I'm saying that gradient of a line is 5. So there are two cases. First one, lines are parallel, and second one, that lines are perpendicular. So let's take that my gradient is 5 upon 2. The line that is parallel to this one having the same gradient, it will be 5 upon 2. So we had discussed that if the lines are parallel, that means that both of the gradient is equal. Alright, but if you are consider that gradient is 5 upon 2, what is the gradient of the perpendicular line? So first thing, you need to flip your fraction. By flipping 5 upon 2, after flipping it will be 2 upon 5, and you need to change its sign. Here you have a positive 5 upon 2, that means when you flip it, it will be negative. Now let's try it by yourself. Let's suppose the gradient is 1 upon 3. What do you think the gradient of the parallel line will be? If your answer is 1 upon 3, then you are absolutely right. But what do you think about the perpendicular one? For perpendicular, first you need to flip it. So the flip fraction of 1 upon 3, it will be only 3, or you can say 3 upon 1, they are same. But you need to change its sign as well. So the gradient of the perpendicular line is -3. So for parallel, we have same gradient, and for perpendicular, we have negative reciprocal. Alright. Now, the third condition is when points are collinear. Now, what do you mean by collinear? Let's suppose that you have a line and there are more than 2 points lie on the line, so they are collinear. Alright. So the condition of collinear is the gradient of 2 points, any 2 points, and the gradient of other 2 points, they are equal. Let's say that these are the 3 points A, B, C. So I can say that gradient of AB and gradient of BC are equal. When the points are collinear. Collinear means that points lie on a straight line. That is meant by collinear points.